In June 2018, 68-year-old Cindy Testerman was discovered unresponsive inside her home by her son in what seemed to be a suspicious and tragic situation.
911, what's the address of the emergency?
My mother is dead. I just walked into her house. I haven't heard from her in 2 days, and I came over to check on her. She is lying on the floor in the kitchen. I believe she was either assaulted or murdered. I didn't get close to her, but there is a gun on her kitchen table. Her door, it was unlocked when I came in, and her car is missing. She has a home security system on her door, and the last thing that I saw on the home security system was a man getting into her car and driving it away.
One police could not identify the man from the video, but they knew Cindy's car was missing, so they began searching. They spoke with neighbors and learned that Judy Slebzik, who lived across the street, had not been seen for months inside her home. Nothing was found, but investigators discovered she had a stepson named Ryan McGuire. Checking old records, they found his photo and saw he matched the man in the footage. Soon, Cindy's car was located, but Ryan had already sold it, leaving them at a dead end since he was known to stay nearby. Police kept looking days later. Cindy's son noticed her purse was missing and found her bank cards were being used around town, leading to a local motel. Officers confirmed Ryan was inside, blocked all exits, and arrested him in his room. They recovered items belonging to both Cindy and Judy before taking him for questioning. Zaju 2. This was far from Ryan's first time in trouble with the law. His record was long, and detectives expected the interview to be challenging. But when Ryan said he was willing to admit everything in exchange for just one cigarette, the officer stepped out to get it.
Hey, what's going on? Anything I get a cigarette, man? Yeah, probably. I'll have to find one. It might take me a minute, but yeah, I don't think that's a problem. Are you good? Did we get the wrong thing?
I'm good. I ate one.
Oh, okay. Anything else you need?
I just want a cigarette. You give me a cigarette right now, I'll tell you everything y'all need to know.
Okay.
And I can give you a phone call with my girlfriend.
Yeah, let me see what I can do. You got a preference? I don't know.
I don't give a fuck about anything.
Really?
Yeah.
A cigarette?
Yeah.
All right, man.
Ryan agreed to talk in exchange for a cigarette, but this time he revealed more details about Judy, hoping she might still be found alive. The detective stepped out to get the cigarette, knowing that even if the worst had happened, locating her would bring answers for her family.
Of course we're empty, but I gotta fucking work on it. We should have that cigarette soon. Let me do this real quick. What's your last name?
McGuire?
McGuire. M-C-G-U-I-R-E, right?
Yeah.
Ryan Michael?
Yeah.
How old are you?
32.
32. And your date of birth is?
9/4/85.
9/4/85. Where are you living?
Nowhere. Homeless.
Safe homeless?
Yeah.
Okay. What was your last address?
I don't have one.
No. The last place you were laying your head?
Motel?
Okay. Okay. What's a good phone number for you?
It don't even matter. I'm not probably gonna get out. You know, I'm glad I'm warm.
I mean, I don't know all the deal with your warrants and stuff.
I'm not getting out. I don't got no phone number.
Okay. How far did you get in school?
I graduated.
Okay. Any college at all?
Nah.
Alright, you can read and write English?
Yep.
Cool. So, you've been locked up before?
Yeah.
Can somebody read your rights and all?
What, today?
No, that's what I'm about to do.
You don't gotta do all that. It's good. Just let me sign papers so I get the fuck out of here.
Alright, well, I gotta at least read it to you, but I'll make it quick. So, what's been going on with you? What can you tell me?
Well,
You said you can tell me everything, right?
What's this one? What's this for?
Well, you got your 3 warrants, right?
Huh?
You said you got 3 warrants?
I got a couple ones about BOP, FDA.
Okay. What was all that about?
I'm drugs. And
You use drugs?
Yeah.
Are you under the influence of anything right now?
No.
Okay.
I have nothing today.
Okay. Well, you said you've been staying at the motel there?
Yeah, I stayed there for a couple of days.
Okay. What about before that?
I've been staying with that lady.
Who's that?
The used car I had.
Judy.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your relationship to her?
She's like, my stepmom or something like that.
Okay. She let you use the car and everything?
Yeah.
All right, nice lady. Where's she at these days?
Yeah, listen. I need a cigarette. I'm not saying nothing else. I'll get a cigarette.
Okay.
I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know. She's gone too. She's dead too. Just to let you know, she's dead too. You're gonna charge me with that one too. So I'll tell you where she's at soon as I get a cigarette.
All right, man. Let's see if I can just say that.
Now I'm here for the one across the street.
What's that?
I'm here for what? Across the street.
Yeah, man. I'm not gonna beat around the bush with you. That's what it is, okay? Let me get you a cigarette.
Man, I'll tell you where Judy and everything is at, so you can charge me with that one too. So,
all right, bro. I appreciate it.
The beginning of Ryan's statement was hard to hear because of a fan, but he claimed that Judy had passed away after using substances with him instead of reporting it. He hid her inside a wooden chest where she remained for months, while he used her belongings and told neighbors she was away in treatment later. When Cindy questioned him about Judy and threatened to alert authorities, he panicked, knowing he was already in trouble, and ended her life inside her home. The recording then continued with Ryan describing how police later caught him at the motel.
What the fuck is that?
It's they don't like people smoking in here. They'll allegedly suck up the smoke. I don't know how good it works, but give it a shot. You see a plug over here?
It's right here. You get it?
Yeah. Thanks, man.
Y'all not gonna find Judy without me telling you where she's at.
Where's she at?
She's still in her house.
Okay.
Y'all take me there, I'll show you where she's at.
Alright. Can you explain it to me?
She got high, she was getting high, so she asked me to shoot her up, I shot up with GOD. So I had a warrant, I wasn't gonna call the police.
As cases go, this one had nearly everything investigators could hope for. There was strong evidence, including DNA and a signed statement, but the only thing missing was the weapon used. Ryan admitted to taking Cindy's life, but the story about Judy's death was less clear. Detectives needed more details before filing charges. They had to know if Ryan played a direct role or simply failed to act. What was certain is that he concealed Judy's body for months, stayed in her home and used her belongings. Had he called authorities right away, he likely would not be facing 2 serious charges.
I asked them, were they going to hit that hotel room? Were they going to hit that hotel room if I never came out there?
It's hard to say, honestly.
Because I never got that car, y'all never got me today.
You think?
I don't know if y'all knew who I was, walk out that hotel room, they probably would have got me.
Mm-hmm. So, just to make sure I'm following you, okay? You're using dope?
Yeah.
And crack?
Pretty much anything.
Okay. When this situation happened with your son, you couldn't get your son back?
Months ago.
Months ago. Okay. Did that kind of set you off a little bit or something? And that's why you've been kind of doing burglaries, and you said you robbed the liquor store too?
I really did no burglaries since
you got caught in that one? Or?
I never even stole nothing in that one.
Okay.
My next door neighbor. I didn't even steal nothing.
Okay.
I was just high, I just walked in that bitch.
Right. And when you went to Judy's, was that just because...
She called me out the blue, helping her get off the drugs.
Oh. Okay.
And I said, damn, I could just stay here, get rid of her, and just keep using all her money every month.
Yeah.
That's what I've been doing.
It seemed like it would have worked for a while, except
Cindy.
Yeah. And she called the house phone over there, wanted to ask about...
Yeah, ask me questions.
About Judy.
Yeah.
Was she a friend of Judy?
I don't know. Nobody really messed with her. Like, I told her that she was in rehab, that she was like on a blackout for 45 days. And
how long were you staying with Judy before that happened?
what, before Judy?
Yeah.
Like a couple months.
Okay. And things were good with her?
Yeah.
But, like you said, you were thinking if you can work your way into staying there without her, that's the move.
Right.
Okay. So, when she asked you to shoot her up, you said?
She sniffed it and she went out. She already... Then I shot her up to make sure that she was gone.
Okay. So, she was snorting?
She was doing whatever. Snorting, shooting, snorting, and smoking crack.
So what did she do when that happened? She sniffed, and then she was out of it?
Yeah, she went out. She fell out. She OD'd.
So then you hit her with the dope to make sure?
Yeah, she sniffed the dope and went out once.
And then you shot her up?
Yeah.
I gotcha. And then what'd you do? That's when you put her in the box?
Yeah, I left her in the bed for a couple days.
Okay. And you put her in the box and put a blanket over it or something?
Yeah.
Okay. When did people start asking what was up with her?
When they didn't see her for a couple days.
Okay. You just said she's a rehab.
Yeah.
But Cindy wouldn't let go.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you're over there with Cindy, you guys smoke. Did she start right away with the questions? She was asking
questions since I came over there.
Mm-hmm. Now, when you take the call from her, did you...
I already knew I was going... If she had anything, I already knew. I was going to get rid of her.
Yeah. Because you didn't want to take a chance of getting caught up?
Yeah.
Okay. So you go over there.
I drove past her the other day and there was cops down there. I'm shocked they didn't see me.
Mm-hmm. What were you driving?
Cindy's car.
Really? Okay. Where's that?
I gave it to somebody.
Really? Where?
In the city.
So it's floating around somewhere?
Yeah.
Who'd you give it to?
One of my homeboys I deal drugs with.
Okay. You got a nickname or something? You got his real name? I'd like to get the car back to her family.
The only way I can do that is to give my cell phone and I call and tell him to put it somewhere else. I'm not trying to get him in trouble.
I gotcha. So you used 2 knives when you were dealing with Cindy? One that was on your belt? And a different one, where'd the other one come from?
I bought them, like from the gas station and shit.
Okay, so they were both knives that you had on you?
Yeah.
What did that one look like? The one you said is not around anymore?
It's like a regular knife.
Like a folding knife?
Yeah.
What color?
It's like black with camouflage.
Okay. And where do you think you tossed that?
And you ain't gonna find it.
Okay. So
it's probably somewhere in the fucking dump somewhere now.
Okay. You know that you put it somewhere specific that's taken to the dump?
I threw it in a trash can.
Where?
The gas station.
Which one?
On Urban Avenue.
Okay.
Across the BP.
Carroll Fuel? BP?
BP right there across the street from Armstead Gardens.
Okay. When was that?
The other day. So that's why I stopped there every day and shoot up.
Okay. You remember what time that was?
No.
Which was it? When you say the other day that you tossed the knife?
When did I do that shit? Friday?
The murder?
Yeah, Friday.
Was Saturday.
Saturday?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, like 11, 12 o'clock.
So then, when do you think you get rid of the knife?
I think it was Friday. You sure it was Saturday?
Yeah.
I think I got rid of it.
The same day or the next day?
The next day.
Okay.
Then I stayed at Judy's house that night. Saturday night. I parked the car around the corner and I walked to Judy's house.
Alright. How about your clothes?
What?
The clothes you were wearing?
I ain't no blood on me at all.
No? Okay. Did you take that stuff with you to the motel?
I had a pair of shoes, I threw them away.
Where was that?
I don't even know.
Still thinking, that at some point you're gonna get rid of her and just stay there yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. And then when she sniffs, you said she goes out.
Yeah.
But then she came back?
Yeah, the next day.
Okay. So you thought she was dead already?
Yeah.
And she wants some...
I left and I came back to her house and she was awake.
No kidding. And she's asking for more?
Yeah.
Okay. So did you just have some? Or she
I had some because I took $500 out of her shit.
So how much do you think she got? I mean, when you injected her?
Just a pill.
Just a pill. But you pretty confident that was gonna finish things off?
Yeah, she was a little.
Yeah. All right.
That dope was good.
Yeah.
I wish I had some now.
Yeah. Okay. Anything else I need to know about? Any other dead people laying around?
That's all. That's my word.
Okay. You said her car is someone's got in the city somewhere.
Yeah.
And you don't want to tell me who?
I get it. You give my phone and I get the number out there and call this motherfucker for you.
Okay. I mean,
unless he got pulled over in that motherfucker already.
Yeah. Could be. All right. Any other cars I need to know about?
Yeah.
Any steel cars and stuff like that? Yeah. Okay. All right. I'll be right with you.
I can't give me no soda and some cookies.
Yeah.
No, I can't make it. I can't. I was like really throwing girlfriend. That's all.
I don't have a problem with that. It's just that involved a little bit more because I gotta get you a phone and and I don't know what should she do.
I'm not even trying to get her involved for real.
I got you. You just want to talk to her?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it her cell phone?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Give me a...
Was charged in both cases and chose to plead guilty. At sentencing, his attorney asked for leniency, citing his troubled past and personal struggles. But prosecutors argued that his choices made him a danger to others. In the end, the judge ordered 2 consecutive life sentences. This was the result of his actions against both Judy and Cindy. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss upcoming stories here on the channel.